I'ma slide anytime you want. Put you in Chanel, I'ma teach you how to stand. 21. Slip and slide like a waterfall. You need some TLC, we can creep if you want. 21. Hey, turn your phone off, take your clothes off. 21. I'm a savage, but I fuck her to a slow song. 21. Turn the lights down, 21. Lay the pipe down. 21. I ain't Mr. Right, but I'm Mr. Right now. Straight up. She want me to fuck her to Beyonce. Straight up. But I don't treat her like she my fiance. God. Make that thing sing like Sade. 1942, it ain't no Chardonnay. 21. In a lounge truck, yeah, with my Richard on, yeah. Got a pretty girl 21. That I'm feeling on. 21. We in quarantine, God. But my M's long, God. But it lame. He got friends on, God. Got a couple spots 21. And they all on. 21. Bought a penthouse 21. Cause I'm never home, God. Threw my heart out the window, feelings gone 21. Threw my heart out the window, but I'ma slide anytime you want 21. Put you in Chanel, I'ma teach you how to stand. God. Slip and slide like a waterfall. You need some TLC, we can creep if you want. Straight up. Hey, turn your phone off. Take your clothes off. I'm a savage, but I fuck her to a slow song. Turn the lights down. Lay the pipe down. I ain't Mr. Right, but I'm Mr. Right now. 21.
Turn your phone off. Take your clothes off. I'm a sad, but I fuck her to a slow song. Said the nail lady went and did her toes wrong. Said the last man was always playing Drake songs. Yeah, cell phones out when I roll up. Yeah, the nigga had a problem till I showed up. Everybody with an app before they name tough. Yeah, more concerned with blowing up than growing up. Yeah, said she wanna fuck till some scissor wait. Cause I used to date SZA back in 08. If you cool with it, baby, she can still play. While I jump inside that box and have a field day. I'm a slow stroke king, hit me anytime. And my goal is to get you to the finish line. I seen good movies and bad plenty times. So let me finish strong, girl.
I'ma slide anytime you want. Put you in Chanel, I'ma teach you how to stand. God. Slip and slide like a waterfall. You need some TLC, we can creep if you want. Hey, turn your phone off. Take your clothes off. I'm a savage, but I fuck her to a slow song. Turn the lights down. Lay the pipe down. I ain't Mr. Right, but I'm Mr. Right now. 21. She want me to fuck her to some Key Sweat. 21. But she stay in apartments, I got beef at. God. Pussy so good, I had to sneak back. God. Hit her with my glizzy, boy, I keep that.
You fuck with the ones that fuck with you. What the niggas of the bitch?
You are crazy.
Make it out the hood, they say you Hollywood. How dare you tell me that I got it good? Got a check and treat it like I'm Robin Hood. When it was time to stand up for me, see nobody stood. And I was looking at you, all the ones I fed. Had me grinding all them nights when you was going to bed. And if you think I owe you something, go on ahead. Treat you like I never knew you, put it on your head. And I got Poppy on my line like when you coming home. My mama see it in my face, she know that something wrong. Body dropping in my city all summer long. I don't bail, but I still gotta keep something on. Cause I can't let him take my life. You might get left, you make that right. When he got left, it wasn't right, but he was trying to live that life. I call up Kuna, but that jet, we like 3 deep, we take that flight. Just to land in California, play that studio all night. We stand down. For the love of the millions, ain't laying down. Left you in the hood, what you saying now? And you wanted to smoke, you said stand down. Cold heart, never get cold feet when the pressure come. It was beef, I had to tell you better come. Sister said they getting over, it's like you letting them. Some shit I had to learn my lesson from. Checking in, checking out, I just had to check you out. 2012, it was 15 when I'm stepping out. Forgot the time you asked me for a check and I ain't lent it out. I ain't even know you was upset, that's what this shit about. A green piece of paper can turn you to a hater. When you can't bring up one time, you return me for a favor. So I play these real close, talking closer than my neighbors. Cause I know the signs when switch sides, catch them vapors. Used to be my dog, you was in my left too. Scream, ride or die, I thought you would ride with me. Found out you was jealous, you won't even grind with me. And when I caught the 6, you wanted the 550. Used to be my
dog, you was in my left titty. Scream like a dog, I thought you would ride with me. Found out you was jealous, you wouldn't even grind with me. And when I got to 6, you wanted to 550.
See, I look at it like this. What I supposed to spend 1,000 nights in the studio rapping my lights out, going city to city. Can't take my son to school when I want to. Can't see my mama, my family when I want to. They give him my money. They act like he hanging with me. I ain't never been sweet. Far as I can remember, every time I went to jail, I had to stand up in that by myself. I ain't even never think about him calling my baby mama to pick my son up to take him to the movies. Go play basketball while I'm doing this time in the cell. Acting like I owe you something. It hurt my heart to see some of my closest friends turn their back on me about that attention needle. All green piece of paper with a slave master on the front of that.
Last day of the week, let's kill it.
I used to hear him. I was feeding. I
Last
heard
day
him
of the
whispering me
week,
middle
let's kill it,
finish.
chat. Let's
I was
kill
like,
it,
damn, I
man.
was feeding you, bro. All I did was keep grinding through the storm like Derrick Rose on a 50-point night on a Deli basement. For the love of the millions, royalty over loyalty, never get it confused. I got real friends and family that never turn their back on me for the love of the money. I got a homie that's doing life. He can't offer me no money. He can't offer me nothing but a friendship and a relationship. I talk to him 7 days a week. So don't come to me talking about no money. So if you feel some type of way about my money, we going to the furthest extent to protect that plate that go in front of my son on the table.
What up, stream? Good morning. Oh, my ears are nice. No, it's good. What up, yo? Morning, chat. The best intro song playlist? For real.
In peace, in peace. May you rest, may you rest. Never ever shoot below the net. Never ever. You a rookie, you a rookie. I'm a vet, I'm a vet. That's why
Yo,
I
what
got
up?
a Glock. You got a
I can't stop saying what up. The vibes today, you know, the music today is just it's just hit different today. That's it. Top of the AM, top of the morning, top of the morning. Sit on. Cheers.
In bikini bottom, I'm with Sandy. Moesha keep on drinking out of brand.
Yo, chat. The playlists are coming. I'm working on it slowly on Apple Music, right? They're coming together. I got like maybe. This is my playlist. I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 playlists coming for you guys. So I'm not sure whenever this is done, but whenever this is done, I'll give you guys my Apple Music and you guys could follow along and you know, see music with me. All right, real quick, what's going on? First of all, good morning. Second of all, what do you got today? Today you got nothing. So by nothing I mean like you don't have much news going on. You have the 9 AM news. This is a little loud, isn't it? Hold on, I'm gonna change. Get off Apple Music real quick. I'll back on Spotify here. Let's play some 21 Savage. I'm feeling like a 21 Savage day today. I gotta feed the streets. All right. So you have not much going on. So you have 9 AM Euro news, 9 AM GP news, yellow folder. So we should be good on that end. Starting off with GJ here for the weekly. GJ for the weekly right here is obviously bearish, right? Or yeah, at one point, I mean, it technically is still bearish, right? We came down top target for the week, and then now price starting to flip up here. So the good thing about this, or the crazy thing about this, is that price actually closed bullish yesterday, which caused the weekly candle to really flip to continue up. So if you look at gold, GJ here, you closed bullish yesterday, so therefore I would expect today for price to continue up towards the next resistance as well, which is gonna be up here at the 152 250 mark. What was the song you just played? It was Cold Hearted by Cold Hearted 2. So I'm not sure how big this range is here. Let's take a look real quick. This range here is it's an 89 pip range going up towards that resistance today. I know we did close like right at resistance 2. They didn't close completely above the range here. However, it's still close bullish, so therefore you can say that as long as you respect the previous daily candle low, we should be able to drive price up towards that resistance. All right. So I am looking for buys today. So if I'm looking for buys today, I probably want to see if we could break above here. above this resistance here at 151,700. If I can click this real quick, there we go. 151,700, or even like, yeah, or even 151,830 above here, going up to fill the next resistance would be ideal here. Because the range above here, I want to say, is gonna be next resistance gonna be somewhere around here. So I'm not sure how big this range is. Let's take a look real quick. This range here is gonna be around a 60 pip range going up here, chat. So definitely not bad at all. But you need that closure above the range first. All right, so that's GJ here. Moving on to gold here. Go for it. The weekly is looking like it is bearish. It flipped bearish yesterday, and a good thing about yesterday's candle was that the day candle actually closed below the range here. So I was worried about the support period yesterday because I'm like, are we gonna close below or are we not gonna close below? Surprisingly, price has closed below today, so therefore this kind of has no bottom wick on the daily time frame as well. So this is looking lovely for us. I'll say that as long as you respect the previous day candle high, which is up here, price should be able to flip bearish to drive down towards the next support, come down and tap this level here at the 1730 mark. So let's see what happens here. But remember, price has no bottom wick on the open of this candle, so you would expect price to flip for a day and to continue down. If I'm looking for sells today, I probably want to see if we could break below. I want to say this is probably a fake out here, chat. I'm expecting that to be a fake out, but I probably want to say if we break below this support right around here, then you have a higher chance for price to drive down towards the next level of support. All right, which is gonna be somewhere down here to retest the lows here. But I'm debating right now. It's either gonna be right here at the support level or below here. I believe both areas are clean here because below here you have a range of, let's see. Because let's see, below here, let's see how big this range is. Okay, below here's a 25 pip range, so you can catch that range. Plus, if you don't like that range, you can wait for this range instead. So both are valid here, and this range is obviously the bigger range. This range below here is going to be around a 60-70 pip range going up for that area. All right, so that's that. Perfect. Sells below here. And even if you do come down below 748, where I'm putting sells below here, you wouldn't even be flipping bearish yet for a day too. So you have a kind of a head start to the daily candle flipping, because the daily candle flips bearish at the 1742 mark. That's when it taps the target. So this would be, even this move itself would be clean too, because it wouldn't even be flipping by then. So there you go. That's the analysis. All right, GJ, let's put buys above here, closures first real quick.
Spiraling up just like a rich nigga staircase. No fly zone, please stay the fuck out my airspace.
Have you tried stock options? No. Never, man, never. Top of the morning. A little more volume, please. Is that good? I raised it for a bit. Hey, bro, what are you trading today? GJ and gold, brother. In periods to trade every day, right? Nah, GJ's last statement. If you think GJ's ugly, then GJ looks ugly, right? I believe this looks very clean above the 151.835. GJ did it break above range 2? It doesn't need to break a range 2 for buys because it's already bullish for a day. Price is already bullish for a day. The weekly, I mean, the daytime is already bullish. So there's no need for a range 2 breakout, right? Think the news at 10 a.m. will bring volume? I think we'll get volume before then. But yeah, that should be an extra trade on top. But I probably won't be trading till 10 today. I think we should be able to get a move before 9 a.m. I'm pretty sure. We should be getting a move before 9 a.m. Volume should pick up as you have pre and Y. Chat, by the way, if you guys are trying to get a hold of me, don't never message my personal account for like FX stuff. I'm not gonna reply there. I'll reply obviously on my Control FX page for FX related stuff, but I'm not gonna go back and forth between two DM inboxes, right? Just wouldn't make sense to me. If you're asking questions about trading or whatever it is, make sure you contact this page, the trading page. All right. I've been getting a lot of DMs the past 2 days on my other account, and I don't reply on them. On that account, I'm not a forex trader. that's not my DNA. But on the other account, that's all me. On today's focus. There you go. We see GG fake on if this average account closes back in range for buys. Yeah, out account, yeah. Out account will be a fake out. Yeah. Thought like 30, but yeah, hourly will make sense. Yeah, because price closed below its range here. So if it decides to close back into the range, I believe that is a fake out. Price to drive back up. Why sells below 753.83 is not bad as the bias is bearish. My bias for the day is bearish, yeah, so below 1748. I mean, you can take bias anywhere you want, right? Whatever you prefer. It's still valid for, if it's valid for you, it's valid for you. For me, it's not valid. Well, for me, at least I'm waiting for 751. That's what I prefer, right? And that's what's on my screen. So if you have something else marked up, I mean, doesn't mean it's not valid. It's just that this is just my perspective, right? So if you feel like you want to take sells below there, then take sells below there. What ain't no bond wick? Yeah, we broke that down already this morning. We broke that down already. I'm looking for GG buys above 151's 470. Yes, sir. 470. Oh, nice. Above here, back into the range. Yeah. Because yeah, the range going up here, even above here, is gonna be like it's gonna be a 23 pip range going up. So it's definitely not bad at all. Wait, let me check something real quick. Let me check if Apple had the iPhones. Pre-order? What do you mean pre-order? Isn't the phone out today? Pro Max. Where's not yet? That range ain't bad. Yeah, the ranges aren't bad. I mean, right now, like the way the price is moving, like I'm not biting out on these buys. I'm not interested on these buys here. Even if you get a range shoot breakout, I'm only looking for sells today on gold here, which is below 1748 here. So buys for me will be out the window, completely out the window for me today. And then for GG sells, I'll be out the window as well. I'm not really interested in GG sells, even if you get a range shoot breakouts. Unless like let's say if you break above like 1762 on gold, then I'll be interested in buys above there. But until then, like this whole area here, I'm not really gonna be interested in this at all, even if it's a range shoot breakout here, which I don't believe it is yet though, because you have a support formed here and then resistance formed here. I guess this is one range, support here, and I guess you say resistance could be here or resistance could be here for range shoot breakouts. I'm just not interested in the buys right now. I'll be interested in buys only if you break above here potentially. That's not started locking in buys, but until then, not really interested. And for GSLs, same thing. Probably gonna wait for price to break below like 150, 942 or something. For me to take sells coming down, just below here, coming down towards next level support, which is down here. So run it, run it, run it. Where's a ratio breakup for GSLs? Ratio breakup for GSLs would be below like 158.68. I want to say below that range for 48 pips. Happy Friday, man. Welcome. But breaking upside, yes it is. Am I interested? No buys for me. But if you want to take buys, by all means go ahead and take buys all you want. It is, they close above the range technically, but for me it's not a range to breakout, and just I'm not comfortable taking buys in this range until you break above 1762. No bond bookers, 1 hour candle on gold. Be careful on gold. Yeah, chat, be careful as well. Definitely not my trade at all. Not even my trade setup. Usually I will at least have a trade setup and then enter type. But in this case, the trade setup here doesn't make any sense at all for me, right? It's just not a range to break right at all. So we're not really like locked into looking for much here. Price goes up, Wouldn't blink. Looking for sells today, chat. Oh, 1748. We were able to catch like a quick 10 pips yesterday after the stream, like right after the stream yesterday. On the I think it was a 9:15, 9:30 count flip. It was price came down 10 pips. It was right here, I think, somewhere around here. No, that was not it. That was definitely not it. It was right here somewhere. It was right here. 9:30. At 9:30, we closed below this range to the left, below this range. And then we took sells on this candle coming down to tap 1748 was the target. Hey bro, please explain what setup you look for compared to what you see on gold now. We already did that, man. I think you're late to the stream. Go to begin of the stream, go watch the beginning of the stream, and then come back after, because we broke down both pairs head to toe from weekly down to the 1530. Same thing we did with GJ, so go back and watch that. Did you use previous count stops yesterday? I think we used current count stops. We used current count stops. It was 14. It was like a 14 pip stop, I think, or no. It was actually on the breakout lows. So it's like a 20 pip stop, I think. 20 pip stop for a TP of like 53 pips. in the recent 4 hour bull, if you major it, the Fibonacci 56 I mean, I don't use fibs, man, but if you believe in fibs and that you believe it will reject out those levels, then it is what it is for you, right? I'm looking for sells below here, but once you get closure below 1748.680, not really interesting what's going on here whatsoever on gold here whatsoever, right? Pretty chill day, chat. Pretty chill day, man. Come to the charts. I found a bias. Found the bias. Follow the trend. Mark the levels we're looking for sells on. Levels we're looking for buys on. For both GJ and gold. And then now it's just simply waiting for those setups to occur. Whatever else happens, not interested in, right? Not blinking. but yesterday, chat, you guys got me exhausted yesterday. The questions we got yesterday were insane. I hopped off the stream and I was tired. I fell asleep. Crazy yesterday. Like it was crazy yesterday. Chat was just going insane. Enter on the break of the highs. 2 stops below current candle. 3 moves stops to break even at the 10 pips and close 8%. Nice locking those profits, bro. Minus support level that you drew out. Nice target. Nice. Good chart here. The break of the highs. This is a starter play here. That kind of no top wick though. How'd your man dress in that trade? Unless it did have a top wick, I'm not seeing it, but can't tell from this photo. It blends it with the chart. Pricing in the range, 23 pit range going up. Looking for buys above 151,470. Waiting for account closure. Perfect. Above that range, yeah, 23 pit range going up is definitely enough. Definitely clean. Going up back in the area. Yeah, how did a 1 hour close here? It closed bearish, right? Yeah. I think it goes back into the range. Fake out, close back into the range. Nice. Stops are pretty kind of high. TP is down here as you come down to that support. UCCHF on a 1 hour chart. Nice chart, man. GJ London session buys. London session trade. GJ 30-minute chart. Daily and 4 hour are both bullish. Looking for potential buys above 151,602. Risk management plus 5 pips dollars at break even. 100% break even. Set up 30-minute closure above resistance. Wait for a bottom wick. Buy stop activated. Stop loss at the previous 30-minute low. This is a very nice chart here, man. Wait for a bottom wick. Buy stop activated. Get a stop here on a break of the highs. Basically, stop loss previous 30-minute low. Perfect chart, man. Perfect chart. Yes, range 2 breakout. Sells below here back into the range, and then buys below there for range 2 breakout, I guess. Yeah, I mean that makes sense. Yep. Yep. I'm not necessarily looking for buys above there, but I get what you mean with the range 2 breakouts. I just don't prefer it today, but it's not a bad idea at all. Close below support. Did I close below support? Let's say close right support, but starting to break out lows. Be careful here just because let's see here. Did we close below the range? That was a 30, right? For me at least, I'll question it, and whenever I question things like that, if it close below the range or not, because the price barrier close below, I just stay out. But looking like it's going what's your favorite here? Yeah, because usually like whenever price is very close to like my support, let's say I drop my support right here and it's like right there, like very close below, I wouldn't enter just because I don't want to put myself in a situation where I'm hesitating. But if you think that's a closure, then you think that's a closure. Looks like it's playing in your favor. Go flipped, had no bottom wick on a 1 hour. If we can just now drive down towards 7-51, that'd be lovely. We can actually lock it in. But until then, it's like we might just range in the air for the whole stream. Who knows? We might literally range in this range chat for the whole stream. Who knows? But I do expect the move today. Alandi, wait for a trade opportunity at the max after the stream ends, maybe like 10 a.m., 10:30 max, and then I'm hopping off. Probably 10 a.m. Oh, nice. Breaking 30-minute lows. Interesting.
You fuck with the ones that fuck with you. What the niggas, the dumbass bitches want to come up and lay up and give you some pussy at 12, 1 o'clock at night. Face ass nigga, do I look dumb, stupid, or slow? Nigga, please. What the fuck is you talking about? Just like you want to stick a dick off at me, I want some motherfucking money. And don't get in your motherfucking feelings when you see me in a motherfucking club randomly and one of your niggas want to get down.
Yeah, you know, sometimes like we'll be on for so long and when I get a trade opportunity and then I hop off and the trade opportunity occurs right when I hop off, which is kind of tough, but it is what it is. You can't really control like the time of the markets or when a moves potentially occur or happen. What up, bro?
Good morning, man. Good morning. How are you?
Good morning.
Good day.
I got a DM this morning. It was like, yo, Don, do you trade outside of your session of your stream? Of course I do, right? Because again, I'm only on for what, 2.5 hours, 6:30 to 9:30. There's not always gonna be a move at that time every day. Sometimes there's a move beforehand, afterhand, during our session, right? So I'm usually looking around, always observing. How's your morning been, Reza? Top of the morning.
Chill. I was considering taking a gold sell when this range breaks. Why is your support like down there? Because you see it as a range too?
You're late to the stream, brother. I'm trying to say.
I actually watched the recap. I'll have you know.
Oh, the beginning?
Yeah.
Why do I have it down here? Just because I think I just had it down here because I just preferred the traffic below there. That was it. I didn't really like the way this looked to the left there, so I just decided to draw it down here and not worry about that. I don't know. I didn't really like it. I didn't really prefer it, but I mean, it's not wrong for you drawing up here or anything. It's just the way I seen it. All right. So if you want to sell below 753,
that's all I ever asked for, Don. I just want to see how you see it. You know?
Nah, man. But you gotta understand, everyone sees it differently, right? There's not always going to be a 100% accurate way, correct way to draw it, right?
Yeah. But like, it's always good to, you know, if I think you're a better trader than me, then it's good for me to like think about it how you're thinking. Like, okay, Don's thinking like this, you know? Teaches me.
True. I respect it. DT.
All the niggas round me, ride or die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Heart still on javelin, baby. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. I was pulling off for the enemy. Sometimes I wish there was two of me. Three of me.
Woke up with the stuffy nose. Also went to bed a bit lately.
I felt like I love you too much to change you.
That's not good.
Feel like I've been going through too much to explain to you, but I'm still the same way I was when I came to.
It's not really stuffy no more.
I have what I had to exchange for you. Everything I've been through, I can't even complain to you. Wish it stayed the same for you. Sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm outside in the AMG. Price is pushing down, and that is why, chat, we stayed out of those 1 hour buys above that range, following the trend without a range to breakout. So congrats for saving yourself today a nice solid 25 pips, because price broke the first 1 hour lows, looking like it wants to drive down towards 751 point, 450 now. Looking good, looking solid, looking great. All we need now is a closure below this range here, and then we can look to continue down. That would be perfect for us, chat. Perfect. Another day, another trade avoided.
I'm expecting that daily to flip on gold.
I've been pop whipping wrists on another rhythm. I was not kidding, don't know why they playing with them. I was not finna let them get no top billing. Man, they really tried to take this shit and run with it. And I bought my dog a bully cause he rolled with it. And I bought that girl a shovel cause she gold digging. If he talking out his head, then it's
nice. That's a W. It is a W. We were able to save and see that move. No prediction, no guessing. Purely the same shit we do every day. The same thing we do every day, right, chat? But like, I think like some of you guys even prefer that to be a range to breakout though, which is fine. This is a bit I'm not sure why I wasn't really looking for buys, especially since it's a range to breakout. I wanted to break above here instead. Above 1762. How long have I been profitable for that? I've been full time since October 2019. So October marks my 2 years. I actually was looking at my letter the other day for when I quit my first job ever, my last job ever. Well, potentially my last job ever. I have a long life to live, obviously, so anything can happen. But potentially my last job ever. I gave the letter in on September 29, 2019. So next week, I believe, on a Wednesday, will be my 2 years since hanging my letter of my letter to quit, basically. Crazy. I read the way you trade. Staying calm is one of the keys. Yes. Psychology for me, chat, is all within price action. What if I told you that? Psychology for me is all within price action. Price action forces me to stay calm. Why aren't you selling GJ? It's not a range 2 breakup for me. And 2, the bias is bullish for me. And 2, it's not a range 2 breakout for me to take sells. So I'm not interested in sells at all. I think you're late to the stream. Go back and watch the beginning. Looking at GJ? Yeah, I'm looking at GJ buys. I'm looking for buys above 151,834. Anything below here is complete. Right. Maybe we'll look for buys above its range too, above like 151,472, 469. But anything below here is complete garbage for me. I'm not really interested in anything below here at all. Sells come down. It has potential to come down towards maybe the support down here. But I'm not going to be interested at all, even if price were to come down towards the area. This is not my trade that I take. How do you have a bias? Go watch the beginning of the streams. If you need help finding a bias, it's just me following the Prue's day candle off of price action and a weekly candle. So I do the same thing. The way we analyze and find a bias, we've been finding the same bias every day. If you watch the streams, the beginning of the streams every day, go watch the first 5 minutes of every single stream to help yourself like find a bias for a day. If you want a referral. I'm late, but they're going crazy with the yo. That is crazy. There's 89 comments on about what? Look at this. 89 comments. Come on, like this post was like a mid post. It wasn't the greatest post, but yo, why do they feel that people still fall for stuff in 2021? First of all, your slave picture is like someone on Google wearing a suit and a headset. Yeah, 3 followers, and you're putting, oh my god. Nothing wrong with having 3 followers, man. But if you're gonna, you know, it's just like, it's why? Like, who follows this stuff? Like, who will click on your link in your bio and actually send you BTC? It's so cringe, man. So cringe and toxic. Well, DV, I saw Tyler. Oh my god, we're expecting buy sells in gold. Go watch the beginning of the streams. You're a bit late to the stream, man. It's on my screen here. I'm looking for sells on gold here below 1748. Looking for sells below 1748, man. You came a bit late though. Not a very good question, but did you compound your account before depositing more money before it become full time? No. I just grew the account to a point where I was making a consistent amount of money monthly, where I was able to live comfortably. And keep in mind, I was 19 at the time, 20 at the time, so I didn't have much really to take care of, you know. It was just if trading made me more money than I was at work, then I was comfortable with that, and then from there just built onto it. Obviously, whatever I made back then is different from what I made now, but at the end of the day, I'm comfortable, right? So whatever your comfortability is at. You prefer a daily or weekly buys? If they're opposite, yeah. So if they're opposite, you should go with the daily candle. Keeping in mind that the weekly candle can still flip at any given point. But yeah, it's always in the back of my mind, the weekly candle, even if the daily candle is the current. Like for example, GG today, the daily candle is bullish, but the weekly is bearish. The weekly already came down last week. It came down, or earlier this week, it came down, tapped support, and then rejected up. So yeah, I'm looking for buys there on GJ, but only above like 151,834 or 480. And for sells for me would be below, like, I want to say 150,850. Below here would be my sells. I sent BTC to you as per your DM on Facebook. Promise you 100% in 7 days. I'm gonna hear from you. Damn, that's tough, brother. I don't know what to tell you. Do you stay out of the trade if the daily and 4-hour candle have contradicting biases? No. But 4-hour does come to our analysis as well. Like yesterday, for example, we anticipated a 4-hour candle to flip bearish as well as the daily candle at the same given time. So then we used the 30-minute to our advantage yesterday to anticipate the flip of the 4-hour candle to flip with the daily time frame. So we kind of use all the time frames to tell us one huge story, is basically what I'm trying to say. You trade crypto? No. I hold crypto. Get some XRP, but that's about it. Long term, I don't care what happens to today, or I don't care what happens to tomorrow. I don't care what happens to the next 4 or 5 years. I'm looking at the 10-year mark on crypto. So I'm bullish, obviously. But yeah, I don't intraday trade it. I don't trade the same way I trade FX now. No need to, right? For me, at least. Not my plan. What's up, bro? What's up, Samantha? Wait, it wasn't you sending BTC to WhatsApp? I don't know, man. I'm gonna tell you. That's tough, man. What up, mods? Appreciate you being here again. Appreciate everyone for being here today. All you guys in the chats. All the lovely faces. No face, no case. Okay. I'm just some water before reading this one. Ooh, let me just do a stretch real quick. All right, ready. Alexander Bello, 5-minute chart on gold. 1. Price is overall bearish as market structure and fundamentals indicate due to talks of tapering during the FOMC conference. We have switch bias. 2. Entry based on the previous 1 hour candle, closure above current indecision zone, expecting price to reach a previous rejection point in 1760, aware that this has been a heavy indecision zone in the past. Price can reject at any time due to overall structure. 3. Price ended up pushing for 10 to 12 pips and began to head back down. Stops were below the previous candle, -2 pips, in order to only manage risk but attempt to stay in the position. 4. 9% secured at 10 pips, stopped out, expecting a sell after these small corrective buys. Nice. Good position, man. Nice 10 pips secured. Nice management. W. Rob. Range 1, range 2. Why is this not a range 2 breakout for you? Every day you prefer range 2 breakouts. What happened today? Why did you not execute buys? Because of emotions? I just want your review, bro. Don't mind, please. It is a range 2 breakout. I just did not prefer it. Right? It's all opinion based, right? So this is a range 2 breakout. Technically it is. But I'm not comfortable taking it due to the fact that I don't like that the daily is heavily bearish today. Like, I'm heavily bearish on gold today, with the fact that we have no bottom wick as well. The current candle opened up early today. So those small things came to factor with the range 2 breakouts that I didn't like. Therefore, I stayed out of it. And I guess like in this case, we stayed out and played out in our case, right? But yeah, that's about it. I mean, if you took the buys, I think you would have got your 10% anyways on the buys on the break of the highs there. But for me, at least, I was not interested in these buys. That's about it. You're not right. You're not wrong, right? I'm not right. I'm not wrong either. It just comes down to your opinion, right? And for me, they kind of had no bottom wick, second candle flip here. 4 candle was obviously bullish, but you know, they kind of came to a huge row, I guess. There's no wick above the candle for a second candle. Would you have taken the trade on analysis done? Which trade on analysis? Which chart? This one? I wouldn't. I don't think I would have taken this. 1, it was a 5-minute time frame, so it's kind of hard to say. I don't really look at the 5-minute or enter off the 5-minute. And also 2, it has no bottom wick. I don't think I would have taken this. But you know, Alexander Bello is Alexander Bello. He takes whatever he gotta take, and the trade play out for him. But everyone trades similar but differently, right? So, but for me, no, I wouldn't take it. Can't hear no music? Come on, man. What's going on? You don't hear that? Boot up, pipe up. Plug.
I got everything. I could lose it all if I'm reacting to the petty things. Know that if I see ya, I'ma ask you if you said them things. Why I be the gang and they down to stain anything. Yeah, that's
Algor bear stay on gold? Yes. I'm expecting one. Let's just see if we get something started up for us here. I think for us to actually be like, get initial moves, we need to break below support first. 30-minute day close below its range just now, 2 minutes ago. So let's see what happens. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
What's up, man?
Morning, Reza. Morning, Don.
Good morning, Marcos. Why'd you say my name with so much hate? All I do is show love to you.
I said it with the correct pronunciation. That's all that matters.
Alright. How you doing, Marcos? Looking lovely this morning.
Like $1 million.
No, you're worth more than that. Come on.
I feel like I've been waiting for this gold flip for 10 years.
Yeah, me too, man. Not even. Oh yeah, the day count flip. Yo, still stop there. You could technically
I had one out. I had one yesterday, but
160 for 130. What up, Marcos? How's your day been?
Not bad, not bad.
You're on a bit early today. You're on at 7:30, not 8 a.m.
No.
You punching early today?
Yeah, trying to get that overtime.
I see. Hopefully it's worth it today. Yeah, yo, Marcos texted me last night. He's like, at like 8 p.m. Yo, I caught gold. I'm like, oh wow, this guy's actually training full time now.
GJ.
Oh, you caught GJ. I'm like, wow, this guy is really trading Asian session. This guy is locked in again. He's locked in. Damn. I'm like, okay. I thought I lost him for a second. On to the personal trainer? You mean Andre? I don't know, man. Nah, first of all, I stopped working out with them maybe in like April, I think, or May. I started working by myself because I just wanted to chill out and do things by myself. But if you're asking why he's not to the streams, I don't know, man. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know.
How come you don't trade other sessions?
I prefer to stick to one session, because the whole point of trading for me is to like, spend more time on other things. So when I trade one session, I have other sessions to do whatever I want to do. I don't gotta be on charts all day, right? You don't gotta be on charts all day to make money. Why? I just answered why. I don't know why, man. I don't know why. I literally told you. I told you why I didn't want to work out with them, because I wanted to work by myself. Listen to music, vibe out. And two, if you're asking why he's not coming to the streams, I don't know. I really don't know. But
No, your wallets do not need your identity, Professor Lightyear. Your wallet just has a bunch of numbers.
oh, it's a Coinbase wallet.
Yeah, that's not a real wallet. Oh no, Coinbase. If you use a Coinbase account, yeah, but if you use a Coinbase wallet, it's technically anonymous. There's like a difference between exchange account and a wallet. And I highly recommend you guys to get a hardware wallet to be extra safe.
I know you do that trading session, stop the cap.
You trade 2 sessions basically. Like I feel like you're like 100% on New York, and then like I'd say like half the time you're on Asian.
10%. I used to be on Asian every day, chat. Beginning of this year.
Sleep London.
Yeah, I sleep London. I mean, nothing's wrong with trading 2 sessions. If you guys trade 2 sessions, like, nothing's wrong with that. I used to do that. I just found that, recently for me, I'm very happy trading 1 session and calling it a day after New York session. I've been very happy doing that, and it's been working a lot this year. So, what can I say? A hardware wallet, what's that? It's not like a thing. What's a wallet?
Yeah, that's a good one.
Ledger.
A hardware wallet is basically, it stores your keys, but all of your assets still live on the blockchain. I recommend Ledger or Trezor.
What if you lose your key, bro? Like, what if you lose a USB thing?
Well, you can recover the keys as long as you know the keys. So like for me, I write them down. You got to have a hardware wallet. Like you want to have like 3-factor authentication for that. Obviously you never give out your keys because that's pretty much your entire wallet. I recommend getting a safe, getting a hardware wallet, and then writing down your keys in 2 places.
Oh yeah, I got keys. I'll name them right now. So you got hockey. Yeah, I'm joking. Imagine I name all the keys.
I don't think a safe enough. You might need a nuclear bunker.
Yeah, I think it's safe enough, yo. I think
once you hit 10 figures, straight up nuclear bunker.
Honestly, bro, you just gotta shove the key under a rug, man. No one's gonna check that.
I like that memorized. That might. The only thing with that is what happens when you get in a car accident and you get amnesia.
GG's, brother.
GG's in the chat.
GG's in the chat. Hey, Marco, but you know what you can do though? You can give me the password, and then every time you forget, I got you, bro. I got you.
Alright, you send me yours too, bro.
Alright, bro.
Yeah, you know what? More brains the merrier.
Hey, bro.
Toss your password in chat.
Just tattoo on yourself, man.
I low-key want to get a picture image of the first word of my seed phrase tattooed somewhere. That'd be funny.
Don't worry, Marcos. Your faces are safe with me, man. I got you. If you forget it one day, I'll give it to you. There just might not be anything in your wallet. We need a collector below 75.2 to sell, right? I'm looking for that. Yeah, you can look for sales. You can stick sales anywhere you want, right? But I'm looking for sales below here instead. I think Raza earlier was looking for sales below here, which we did close. Looks like price wants to drive down.
Yeah, I'm in on the flip.
Nice. What's your stops? The first candle?
I actually have it at the hourly stops, but I'm gonna keep managing risk based on like the previous. I'm gonna manage risk on the 15 essentially.
Nice.
But I'm gonna try to hold this one for a minute because I believe that daily. Last time I was able to catch a lot of pips when things the 4-hour on gold opened up with no bottom wick, and on the flip it just boomed. So I'm gonna try to hold this until a while.
So if you lose it, somebody finds it, they can't use it, right? No, they can't use it unless they have the passwords and all that, the phases and all the phrases and all that. To actually log in. So
just pinned a video on explaining hardware wallets in the crypto channel.
Oh, we about to lose all on any crypto channel. Okay. I thought you sent it in the YouTube chat. I'm like, oh, we about to lose all the viewers, man. Thanks.
No. It's in the Discord. And I just pinned it in the crypto general. Our Discord's about to be
I'm crazy, right?
It's a mini school.
We have the best Discord in the community. I believe so, man.
We have the best Marcos in the community too.
We have the best community.
I'm a one of one NFT.
One of one NFT.
One of one NFT.
How is this webcams person not banned completely? Or is it just a different account?
It's a different account every time.
Bruh.
Hot girls and boys video chat. No, because his message is just like the exclamation point. His name is the webcam. Oh my god. Weirdo. I'll report you, man.
Oh, we're breaking previous lows.
Birth of my son. Trust works has been done. Personal funds. It's the petty boys.
Hey.
Bashing for sure, not naming others, but we all know. Hey man, all love in the chat. Always. Yo, what's the best V food that nobody really knows? Vietnamese. I think it's called summer rolls. That's my favorite. That's one of my favorite Viet dishes. I don't know. You ever have Viet food, Marcos?
I've never had Viet food. No. I just recently had Thai food for the first time. It was quite good.
Chat, this shit, oh my god, I love this. I love this. The dip, everything about it. And then you have how do I pronounce it? Is yeah, this. Oh my god. What else do you have? What else do you have? Oh, you never had Thai food, like pad Thai and stuff?
I have. I had it once.
Where'd you buy it?
New York City.
No, like what restaurant?
Let me do 5-second research.
You were missing out on life? True.
It was good too. I'm looking it up as if I'm gonna be able to find it. Get back to you. It was good though. I had a, I think it was like peanut stir fry or something like that. Like chicken stir fry was so good.
This? I mean, this is all right. I mean, this is like everyday food. You know what I mean? It's like everyday food. Like it's all right. It's like it's not like anything crazy to me
Isn't
at
it
all.
crazy how when you have your own culture's food, it's like every day, but like to someone else, it could
No.
be like so good.
But like these right here are the ones I don't have every day though in my view, because like these actually take time, a lot of time to make and stuff.
Yeah, I know what you mean, but like people will be like, "Yo, that's like that
Yeah.
Spanish rice and chicken like that you get at the bodega." I'm like, "Yeah, we get that. Like, I have that every day, like every day."
Yeah, that's true. That's true. I get what you mean. Red meat smack. Oh my god, red meat. Yeah, that's like a snack. This is like a everyday. It's a very simple dish though. You know, it's just like French baguettes. Yeah, we have the best baguettes. But that's just because the French and all that happened. It's just a baguette with like pork cuts, maybe like meat cuts if you want, whatever you want. Some mayonnaise paste with like egg yolk, and then the other pork paste. And yeah, it's pretty simple dish. Yeah, the peanut sauce, the summer rolls are on point. Yeah, yo, Banseo's, I think for Banseo, man, they don't really have them at restaurants, man. No, like, I'll say reach the crib, man. But, hey, man, not everyone can reach the crib. My mom is my chef. Not your chef. But, hey, man, if you do find someone that does it, if you have a friend whose, mom is, like, a chef and she does, like, cook that stuff, God bless you.
Reach the crib. 500 people pull up to his crib.
Oh. Yes, sir. I'm hungry. Some rolls my fave. They're so good. I need to get a Viet Batty to make some bends out. Yeah. I mean, good luck. I mean, the Viet girls out there, at least the ones that are my age, they cannot make that stuff, man. They cannot make that stuff. Yeah, I guess someone that's like,
Traditional.
Yeah, traditional. It was bored. Go to Vietnam and find yourself one, man. Go straight to Vietnam and find yourself one if you're very down. Because the ones that are born here, man, you cannot find. They will not make you anything, man. They make you a nice, like macaroni and cheese, man. China's government has banned trading on crypto. Is that true?
Yeah, they do that like every 3 months. This is like the one time where Twitter's like, okay, like we don't care.
know to select the buys. How to select the buys? If you want to know how to select the buys, I do it every day morning at 6:30 a.m. Eastern at the first 10 minutes of the stream. So go and watch every stream the first 10 minutes on how I find a bias. You notice that I do the same thing every day. So I don't select the bias selects me. Meeting.
Oh, come on.
You when I see ya. Reza, did you close half and stuff? Or no?
No. Okay, so here's my issue, man. You guys use fixed lot sizes, right?
Fixed lot sizes? Yeah.
Yeah. You go full risk or half risk.
Yeah.
I use like a variable lot size, so I like calculate like 1% every time, right?
Yeah.
So sometimes just closing at 10 pips doesn't work for me because I have to catch that 1-to-1. The math gets a little bit messed up. You get what I'm trying to say?
You have to catch. You have to get 1%.
I don't have to catch it, but like, you know, for example, like if I risk like 1% on this trade, and then 10 pips will be like 0.25 of that, you know? So it doesn't make sense for me.
You had a 40 pip stop loss?
No, I mean, my stop loss is kind of big right now. So like I'm up 10 pips right now.
But your stop loss is to break even, right?
Yeah, my stop loss is break even. Yeah. So that's kind of what I prefer to do. Well, I'm probably gonna go to like fixed loss sizing once I actually have the account.
I hear you.
Just because like things a little bit like easier mentally.
The bullish is bias.
The bullish is biased. Did I say that again?
Probably.
When you repeat the same thing every day, chat, it gets to the point where it's a script to me now. Like this is it. Trading for me is an actual script now. It's like there's nothing like. Obviously, we try to improve trade at the trade, but then if they were following a script every single day, an actual script. I'll tell you, I always repeat myself. I'm literally doing the same thing every single day. I'm trying to nail that into your head. I made blueberry waffles. Nice, man.
You know what's crazy?
What's up?
I didn't touch the chart since we've been on, and I opened my chart and I have the exact same support as you from last night.
On gold?
Yeah, my chart's like identical.
Even the support down here too?
Yep.
Oh wow, nice.
Isn't that crazy?
That is pretty crazy.
I still have my sell stop line. Gotta delete that.
Where do you have your sell stop? On the daily flip?
It was on the daily flip, but I deleted it on MT4. You should have listened when it said I was a dog, huh? You should have listened to your head when you had thoughts, huh? That's what you thought, huh? I left you scarred, huh? You'll never be the same again, put that on guard, huh? I took your heart and then I tore that shit apart, huh? I fucked you over, did you dirty, did you wrong, huh? I did you wrong, huh? I did you wrong, yeah. Me the disco banner, yo, do you guys like our disco banner? You guys like it? Wait, why isn't it showing up on Oh, it is. Look at that disco banner. Yo, welcome to DVS. Did you guess who I got inspired by for that? let me guess.
Kanye motherfucking West.
Bro, go to the NFT channel.
NFT channel? Is that an actual NFT?
I don't know, bro.
Wow, man. That is amazing. Yo, Lou Uzi Vert's coming up with NFT. Marcos, did you hear? Did you know?
Yeah, that shit's ass.
Eternal something.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, every rapper's gonna come out with NFT at this point.
Yeah.
It's bound to happen.
That's when you know it's the top.
But yeah, true.
The funny thing about it is that like I would say 95% of like actual NFT people and like influencers look at that and they just laugh because they see right through it. But they're gonna get so many new people caught in
Which
that.
is good
It's
for
like good
the
and bad.
community.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
good because they onboard new people, and it's bad because like people's first experience is gonna be a fucking Lil Uzi Vert cash grab.
Hey man, I got some strawberries.
I got strawberries. Showing in my hidden section.
Oh, dang, there's a hidden section. Down bad. Don't you don't even want to show them that you have strawberries.
I had all my L's.
Damn.
Can't see them.
Gotta be transparent, brother. That's not no. It's not no yet. Technically, nothing's an L until you actually sell it.
I just don't like it what it looks like on my profile picture, on my profile.
One day.
It's like an Instagram feed. So if they look at your Instagram feed, you don't want like Snapchat pictures. You want professional photography only.
I feel that, man.
Oh, let's go gold.
Let's go gold. Break below has support gold. Can we get sales coming in chat very soon here? Let's see. What it do?
8 minutes left.
What makes an MC valuable? Is it the person creating it? It's their goal, it's the destination, it's their plan, it's the person creating it, it's all of it. Yeah, that's the homework part, man. That's the part where you gotta do your homework on, man.
Yeah, it's hard to like explain it to new people thoroughly because it's very like multifaceted. It's not just one thing. Like the quote unquote art is like that's like the base like layer. You know what I mean? Like once you start to really get deeper into it, you start to understand like what else there is inside of it. That sounded like a broad answer, but at the end of the day, you just gotta like do your own research, you know? 40 hours of homework. Gary Vee says 50.
50 per NFT, 50 per transaction.
That dude's tripping.
Passed the Forex Funds Challenge this morning, slipped only once after taking 1% losses, and then risked 2% and made a bad profits. Not gonna happen again, coach. I believe you, man. Don't lie to me.
You close half?
Reg, you close half?
No.
That's 0.5% right there.
You're a break even, right?
I'm a break even, yeah.
Good stuff.
If it closes below, you're probably good.
I mean, I'll let it run to the day count flip, honestly, man. Let it run towards 1742.
Yeah, go Don Robot style. Don't close any. Hold that till 1726. This is the challenge of the phase 2.
Yeah, I'm basically at break even on the challenge.
You only need what, 5%?
I need 4%. I'm down $500 on a 200k account though.
Yo, you're getting that on this trade.
Hopefully, bro.
You
That's
just
what
start shaking.
I'm literally holding it till the daily lows.
Did anyone worry about a large chunk of cash in an unregulated broker? Ask yourself this: if the broker's been around for months to years, why would they run off of one person's money? Why would they want to shut down their whole business for one person? It's not worth it for them.
Yeah, because they make so much money.
Exactly. You wouldn't want to have a bad image of themselves or one person. Imagine doing all of that promotion, doing all of that promo, all those ads, all those clients you have under your belt just to fuck one person over. Wouldn't make any sense.
Just go where you're comfortable too. Like me personally, I would probably like, unless I own the broker or it's a regulated broker, I wouldn't put more than like, I don't know. I would say like 150 grand is probably the max I would put in a unregulated broker, and then just risk a higher percent. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Marcos, how about taxes? I'm joking.
Nah, because like if you have, let's say you have $1 million, right? Are you gonna put $1 million into a random broker? No, just put 100k and risk 10%. You know what I mean? It's the same thing. Like, there's just no point.
Yeah, whatever you're comfortable with, exactly. My voice is a bit too loud today, right? There we go, I changed that. It was in the reds.
Oh, wait, is MM in the chat? Is MM here?
MM's always in the chat. That dude's a lurker.
Yeah, I was crying yesterday when you were like, when you said only 6 pips after the tax though.
I know. Oh. Go.
Oh, well, we could closure. 3 minutes left for a closure. 3-minute closure here. What up, Wix9? Good morning. You're a little late, brother.
4-hour celery play.
You weren't late.
Whoa. Jinx.
Yeah, 4-hour starter play at the closure. That'll be perfect. Look at the day candle starting to flip bearish. Oh, looking lovely.
What's this 30-minute stop loss?
Man, I think what I'm gonna do today is maybe have huge runners coming down towards the day target.
Yeah, it's
1728.
1728.
No, man, I don't want to get crossed out because of the top wick. Because my stop loss, like to break even, is like on the. It's like inside the wick of the 30. So I'm considering.
What's your entry?
My entry is 1753.3.
I mean, hey, stick to your plan, brother.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Don't risk losing 5 pips just because, you know what I mean? Like, stick to your plan. You don't want to build bad habits. Yeah, I mean, if the wick comes up to 1753.3, like, the probability of it breaking the highs is very high anyway. Obviously, it's still valid, but you don't want to, like, go against your plan for that. Yeah, that's
I'd
your
also
plan.
probably, like, be depressed as, like, crazy if I went from, like, a 25 pip win to, like a 25 pip loss.
You're already up 25 pips. Like, that's like what, 0.6%, 0.7%?
I'm up 1% almost right now. So I'm right at my 1-to-1. But again, I kind of want to let this trade run.
You holding full?
Yeah, I'm holding full.
One in the chat. One in the chat if you should close half. 2 in the chat if you should hold full.
Listen, that daily flip, spicy. All right, we'll do what chat says. Actually,
Look at the bad influences. Look at the bad influences. I'm the only one who put 1. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, done. Start a poll. I'll do what chat says.
Wait, what's the poll?
I said press 1 if he should close half, or 2 if he should close hold full for the run.
2.
Everyone said 2. Except
we gotta do it for chat.
There's a couple of us.
Look. I'll sell you on this, Reza. I'll sell you on this.
Yo, it's running.
I'll sell you on this, Reza.
I'm up 34 picks right now.
I'll sell you on this. The 1 hour
Mix9 said close full 3
is bear. The 4 just broke the lows. The daily is about to flip.
Yeah.
Once it flips, you have a nice clean traffic coming down towards 1728.
What's the
weekly
target?
Is reflipping. Target for the weekly is 1727 as well, 728 level.
Yep.
The monthly is bearish. We're breaking a lows today if it breaks 1737. Therefore, it can come down towards again 728. So, in my books,
what's the number? What do you know? What your target is for that 4%? What's the price number that passes you the challenge?
Oh, well, I'll tell you right now.
Probably like 1740.
42.8.
Oh, I gotta mark it. That's actually like not even close to the weekly target.
I know.
That's like a conservative target, I feel like.
I know. So like literally those are the thoughts. Like shit, man, this is the problem. Like I would 100% have closed full if I wasn't on the challenge, but in my head, like, yo, you just hold this one trade, you're done with it. You know.
What do you think about that, Don? Oh, no bottom wick.
No bottom wick. Oh man, that's not good luck. On a 1 hour candle too. Wow, on a 1 hour candle.
No bottom wick.
Wow, on a 1 hour candle.
4 hour has a wick. It made a top wick. 4 hour has a wick. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean maybe it's the next 30-minute candles we gotta wait for. I mean we weren't gonna take sells in this range anyways because like we came too like below the range here. We only have like what 9 pips left in this range, so
I have a 15-minute support a little bit lower at like 17.
Where? Oh, right here.
Yeah, that's where I'm gonna put my 15-minute support because that's the only way I'll take it on the 15 if it's right there. Chat's like legit arguing about whether he should close or not.
Yeah, like usually I would tell him to close full, but I mean again it's his account and like he's only not closing full because he's a funded account, right? So like technically, I would close full. I would close half, maybe.
I would have closed half, not full.
Or in what I'll do actually is, since you got an entry up there, I'll just put my stops to 10% profit and let it run. Put your stops to like 17.52, so even if it hits break even, you get 10 pips minimum. Trade like that.
That's such a Don move.
Yeah,
Trade like that, you know. What are chances we retrace on this 1 hour candle all the way back up to there? Very high, but you know, especially the 1 hour no bond on wick. So I'll do that, honestly. I'll do that. And you're about to get stuff to break even.
No, yeah. I'll close up.
His entry. What is your
There's
entry?
way too many thoughts in my head. Holy shit! I need to calm down. I'm like thinking of like 17 different things at once, bro. I'm like, okay, the daily, the 4 hour, the 1 hour.
This is the entertainment.
Where's that robot trading?
This is the entertainment.
See through it.
This is the
Nothing in
live
between.
emotions of a trader. Oh my god, the rejection. Imagine he closed. Imagine he closed full when it was
Right there.
retracing at like making a topic.
Don, you literally just sold me on holding it.
What? Yeah, you put yourself 10% profit. Plus, right now with the flip of that candle, you survived the 1 hour pullback potentially. So even 10% profit, it wouldn't even bring the break of the highs yet. That's what I would do, honestly, if I were you. Even runners today.
That's smart. That's smart. That's smart.
I mean, it's no brainer, right? It's like, it's your plan.
I moved it. That wasn't originally part of my plan, moving it 10 pips in profit, but honestly, it's smart. Like, I'd just be stupid on it. Or,
GJ weekly flipped again. Boring. Bro, I love the Kid Leroy's music.
Let's play some Killer Roy for you then.
I listen to him heavy, like I would say like earlier this year, like January, February, when his album dropped, whenever that was, maybe March. No, it
The
was
one
like
where he's
January.
possessed?
I think so. It was, I don't know if it was January, because I had just gotten back because I was in DC. I would say it might be, I think it was February. It might have been November. I don't know. But anyway, I was bumping that music. It was so good. I would go to the gym. I would act sad. Just bump his music. Go bench.
act sad.
Bro, you gotta act
He's
sad.
just happy about everything. It's like, I just
You got, if
act.
you play a sad album, you gotta make up some dark stuff.
Yeah, just pretend you lost all your NFTs.
So, Reza,
Strategy.
shout out your Instagram. Someone's asking.
Pardon?
Shout out your Instagram. People are asking.
It's just my name, Reza_Pana. My name.
You
I would
gotta
type
change
it
your
in.
at. You gotta change your ad on Zoom.
Yeah. Well, I'm just staring at the charts right now. You know, like.
You gotta take a. You gotta take a Xanax.
Thanks, man.
Look at Wick's 9. He's like, nope.
Alright.
Are you gonna trade? No, I'm not. With Dawson GJ, I expect you to drop down
Wix,
towards
I bet you
150, 60 here. Sorry.
I bet Wix has the best rolls ever. You a pro?
That's funny you say that, yo. Every time I roll, people are like, yo, where'd you get this pre-roll?
Really?
Yeah, I do it like Ali G, like.
Dude mastered the art of the one-handed roll.
Yeah.
You can roll one-handed? That's insane. I was about to say I could probably roll better than Woodstein, but
No, Wixon can roll without even touching it. He just goes like
I
this.
highly doubt
he
it.
looks at it. He just looks at it.
I threaten. I look at the weed and it's like, all right, buddy.
It's like,
we're gonna
let him
have
show,
to roll.
let him just shove up.
I come in and I tell my papers. I'm like, look, by the time I brush my teeth, y'all better be rolled.
Yeah, I'm not in a trade chat. I'm looking for a closure below 70.48 now, 0.416. Toronto, shout out to Toronto. And then for GJ, I'm looking for sells below 150, 860, and then buys above 150, 835, 834. I'm gonna avoid this whole entire range. I do expect it to drive down here towards the rest of the range though. You have what, another 22 pips, but this is no trade for me here. Just not a range to break out. It makes no sense. It makes no sense.
do you feel about this no bottom wick now for entries?
30-minute closure. Well, range would be fine for me, I believe. I think was it this week or last week where we took a trade with no 1 hour bottom wick, but the 3rd minute had a bottom wick. Do you recall, Wickson? You have good memory.
You said I have good memory?
Yeah, for a guy that you know every day. But like you remember the shit.
Decent memory for like somebody that smokes all the time. I don't have great memory.
But do you remember though? Like, was it this week or last week when we took a trade on the 1 hour? I had no bottom wick, but 3rd minute had a bottom wick. Like we waited for a 3rd minute closure. I think it was last week.
I'm pretty sure it was last week, but you're gonna need this next candle right here to close. We're looking at gold, right?
Yes, sir.
You need this 15 to close bullish, and then a celery play. That's what we need.
That's all I asked for, man. What are you giving back to the markets? Ask for all that.
You said it's a lot to ask for.
Yeah. So what are you giving back to the markets? Can of beans?
I'm not giving nothing to the market. All I know is that when we wait for it, it happens.
Okay.
So wait for it, and it's gonna fucking happen. If you don't wait for it, we're gonna get faked out here. It's gonna go back.
Well, with a no bottom wick intel, in this case, the no bottom wick to an hourly bearish candle closure intels or shows you that it's a 50-50 candle of it going up or down. Therefore, in this situation, we stay out as it makes the trade a lower probability trade setup with no bottom wick. So.
Yeah, but the bullish closure here creates support, right?
Yeah, but let's not get too complex. I think that guy's new here, man. He's just trying to find the general idea behind the no talks, no bottom wicks. Yeah, there you go. No wick. Thanks, Marcos. Marcos, you was in DC when all that shit was happening in January? DC?
Yes.
Well, when what was happening in January?
I'm fucking Canadian.
What was happening in January? My brain's just washed.
We almost had a civil war.
We had like a mini civil war.
Canadian, you're right.
Storm the Capitol. Capitol Police.
Oh yeah.
Shot a soldier in the face, killed her inside the Capitol.
No. I this is too sad, man. This is too sad.
Oh, you gotta act fake sad. Makes you motivated.
Really?
Yeah, what do we have? We have the shaman.
Do you really want to play sad? I have sad playlists on my Apple.
We had a guy with bullhorns storm the Capitol. Oh, nice views.
Yeah, nice. It was you know, I took that shot when I was on the
private jet last night.
They don't even have sad music. I don't even have like I don't really have a playlist called DTB. If you know what DTB means, chat.
Don't trust bitches.
Toxic. Let's hear it. Zoom. Yeah, right.
Boogie taught me that. DTP for life. Have you heard the? You know what Audio Mac is?
Yeah.
So good.
Cannot waste no time, bitch, I'm really timeless. I cannot leave my houses without
diamonds.
All the faces on my watches jump out it. Chains faces on the watches, now they frowning. I probably spent 100,000 on fly shit. QP spent 100,000 on mileage. Bruce Lee kick it.
When was the last time you took a trade this week? Was it Wednesday? Right? Wednesday, right? Yeah, I think it was Wednesday on stream.
Yeah, Wednesday.
So it's been 2 days. Cat's freaking out a little bit, but
You guys had a corp call trade yesterday. Don't think nobody noticed.
we did. Break even.
I didn't take it. I was cooking breakfast.
You were cooking breakfast on a corp call?
Don's like, take it. I'm like, no, man, I'm cooking my eggs. You catch that last night, Wix? The 4-hour celery on GJ?
Night? No.
I don't know what ditto means. So I thought you
Ditto
meant like...
means me too. I was
Yeah,
waiting on that
exactly.
too.
Oh, I thought you caught it. That's what I thought it meant. I was like, I don't know what that means.
All right, you closed half.
I was waiting on it, and then I went to put my kids to sleep, and I passed out before them.
Honestly, I placed the buy stop and then just like ignored my screens for a couple hours, and I opened it. It was one of those things where like if it happens, you know, you're not gonna go stop loss. So it happened, and I was like, I opened my phone like 3 hours later. I was up like 15 pips. I was like, I'm just gonna close. I think it had the new 1 hour had no bottom wick, and I was like, I'm closing.
If you let it run, you would have caught it. You would have held. I mean,
I think it would have hit. I think it would hit break even. I don't know if I'd still be in. Yeah, because it retraced GJ. Five minute on gold. Looks like it creating resistance. If we get a bearish closer.
That's why I closed half. I closed half here. So I took
Wait, so instead of moving stocks to break even, you're just gonna close half or 10% profit?
Pardon?
Instead of moving stops to 10% profit, you're just gonna close half?
Okay, no, so this is what I did. I moved stops 10 pips in profit, but then moving stops 10 pips in profit would give me less profit than if I just closed half right now, right? And then moving stops 10 pips in profit would have put my stop loss in the middle of a 30-minute candle instead of like at the top, right?
But wouldn't you come up with more percentages if you were to just let it run till break even, 10% profit, 10 pips?
No, I would have made less money if it hit my stop loss at 10 pips than if I closed half right now.
Why? But what if it now you close half and hits break even?
Pardon?
What if now you close half and then hits break even? Wouldn't it just like be less?
I would have still made more money than if I moved it 10 pips into profit because I'm up 30 pips right now.
Oh yeah, you're up 30 pips. I forgot. You're right. I'm tripping.
Yeah. So I'd rather just have like the safer stop loss to try to catch like the bigger move, and also just kind of relax, knowing already like.
I thought you closed half at 10. That's why I'm like, wait, that doesn't add up. You closed half at 30. That makes sense. That makes sense. Yeah.
Like 27-ish, I closed half.
Yeah. I forgot this is GG over trading. This is gold.
Should have added a position.
Added a position?
Close in half.
I'm sorry. Those 5 minutes kind of, the two back-to-back 5 minutes kind of got me shook a little bit because I've seen that happen with gold after like a huge move.
Yeah, but have you seen gold drive down to weekly TP?
No, I've never. I've been trying to hold it till weekly TP.
Well, you should have held it.
I have half running. We'll see how it goes.
If you don't add a position, I'm not even talking to you.
And you shoot with our.
I need to transfer his
I need a runner at full TP right here. Full TP, full position.
Music too loud, chat? Is it good? Sorry if it's too loud. I'm just kind of. Our music volume is different from Spotify volume for some reason. I don't know everything. I don't know everything. Who said I know everything?
He's lying. He knows everything. He knows everything.
Are we in a buy for gold? I'm looking for sells and gold below 70.48. GJ closing below the range. Yes, but I'm not interested in sells, as I said, until you break below 158.60. It did close below the range. Yeah, it looks like it wants to drive down here. Yep, it's pretty clean.
Right up, and then duck, get stopped. What the fuck? I'm just reading chat now. No stop.
What are you doing? What up, Jizzy Dre? What's going on, brother? How you doing, man? My brother. What up? Brother from the mother.
Yo, I'm assuming it's from chat, bro. Some guy named Pip Crip. That's so funny. Hip crip.
Nice goal, 50-minute starter play. Yes, that was Wixdown. Well, you're waiting for that, right, Wixdown? The 50-minute starter play. Oh, here it goes. Here it goes, Rizza.
I told you guys I should hold the entire thing. You guys told me no. Wow. I knew it. I knew it.
Here it goes.
There it is.
Slip. By 20 pips.
I just got 20 pips.
No, you didn't.
No fucking way.
What up, Marcus Williams? What's going on, man? Should it dropped down, tapped that support. I mean, what? It's a very small range. That's why I didn't take it. Obviously, the starter play. I'm gonna wait for a third closure chat in 13 minutes here. If you get a closure in 13 minutes here, I will look for a sell coming down the field range. All right. Dodgy buckle tucked in my shirt. I taste codeine when I burp.
Like it's a wingstool bird.
I'm not sure. I remember the song inspiring to be
catches everything apparently, bro.
Yeah, MM catches every.
MM catches every move. I swear to God. Every time I look at chat, I just caught this. I just caught that.
You should do chart your stream, man. This guy sends a chart every second.
I just sent one for the first time in so long.
Okay, let's see how talk to this chat.
MM goes, same thing here, bro. I knew it, bro.
Okay. Oh yeah, the 5 minute onion. Oh wait, where's your stop loss? The 15-minute candle? 5, 10, 15. Yeah, 15-minute candle.
Yeah.
True. Yeah, that was a good 1-1.
Caught a good trade, just know MM caught a better one.
Yeah, MM definitely caught. If I caught 15, MM caught 16. Dead ass.
You always one up you.
Got in before you. Alright, be right back. I'm just gonna get a breakfast shake.
I guess I'm a trader again.
Yeah, I guess you are a trader again, man. How's it feel? First week full time back. How you feel, man?
Good. Never coming at 6 o'clock again.
True.
I actually woke up pretty early today. I woke up at like 6:15. Oh, I got iOS 15. It's pretty good. You were right. I have to use focus mode though, because you said focus mode's good.
Yo, I set a timer to it. So every time like I wake up at 6:30 or stream starts, my phone, the app, it literally it goes off my screen except for MT4, MT5, and TradingView, and Gmail.
Yeah, I need to get that because like for ADHD, like you put. I hope it works, but like,
no, it does work. It does work.
I used it for. I tried using the timer thing, and I just ignore it.
Well, like it does. Like obviously, you have some self control, obviously too, right? But it just reminds you that like you're in work mode, you know. And it kind of, if you're disciplined enough, you wouldn't click on the other apps. Because obviously nothing can stop you from doing what you gotta do, you know. If you're gonna go on a different app, you're gonna search stuff and go on a different app.
Y'all niggas stop playing, nigga. Y'all niggas know what the fuck going on. Big FOREX.
So I think it reverse. I mean, if it reverses, it reverses, right? But I'm only looking for sells only if it closes below here. Until then, it can do whatever it wants to do. It can go up, down, left, right, center, back, middle, front row, back row, you know, whatever it wants to do. Backflips. I'm looking for a closure below. Simple as that. This is my playlist chat. Yeah, should I just thing you guys? Should I just give you guys my ass? You guys can just follow along now, I guess, because it's not done yet, obviously. But I mean, my map music. If you guys want to follow the playlist, it's gonna be here. I'll give it to you guys.
You gotta get Spotify.
I did. I map music. I like it better, man. I don't know what to tell you. The volume, audio, everything about it. I don't know what to tell you, man. No, my Apple Music chat is DONVOV.
Say you want smoke, but if I come with it, money on your tech, put a Honda in it. Apartment so sweet, throw a honey bun in it. Keep it in the street, I ain't doing no squilling. I don't ever put women in my business. Full-time rap, I ain't doing no drilling. Whoa.
Yeah, I think if the previous 1 hour had the bottom wick, I would have entered it. Having a hard time.
Show me a good time.
Alright, I'm gonna go get some clarity.
Yeah, 742 per day. Not sure if we'll reach 726. I mean, the only reason why I'm saying 726 is just because like the flip of the candle. Like, look at the daily candle. Look where we closed today, right? Yeah, support right here. Close below today. So 1742 is a flip. That's my first target. Second target is gonna be this support. Just because once it flips bearish, I'm expecting the rest of the range to get filled as well. So like that's why my target was there. Yeah, like look at this is clean traffic breaking back into the range. With so much volume here too, chat. So that's why. You know what's crazy? You know what's crazy? We broke down each and every little detail to why gold's gonna push down this week. It also had the weekend time from on Sunday, and then yesterday or the day before, we broke down how we need a day count closure at resistance to start the bearish trend. And then we get the day count closure, and then price obviously the day after came down to retest the lows. And then we said how if it retests the lows and then closes below the range, then you can see ciao bella, we have a high chance to drive down towards here now. So if you come down towards 730, the analysis is completed to the T analysis this week.
Oh man.
Oh man, not again.
Yo, have you been backtesting the daily analysis thing? Because that thing's been...
I'm backtesting daily.
Like, you know how you just send your daily? Oh shit.
And Dr. Dollar with the donation.
Oh, appreciate that $1. Thanks for the $5 donation, man. For sure being here today. You even gotta donate, but hey, appreciate it. All love.
Next time, hit up his stream and donate to him.
Bro, can you tell me your Forex journey? My Forex journey? My Forex journey. Not right now, man. I'm a bit locked into gold. I'm a bit locked into GJ or gold right now. Maybe later on if you know whatever happens. Appreciate that $1. I love, man. YouTube music. Oh, that's chalk, man. If you use YouTube music, I don't know what to tell you. You're down bad. Yo, the stop loss on 3rd minute candle is 46 pips right now on average. We can't go past 49 pips for our stops.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Yo, if I held the full, I would have been done phase 2 right now. Like right around here.
Shit, woulda, coulda.
Yeah, I knew you were gonna say like a scatty.
You don't want to say that. You don't want to say that, right?
Yeah. This is the most amount of pips I've caught in the trade though.
You want to just before you enter a trade, you already have a plan that you want to follow. Whatever happens after, it doesn't matter. It's like as long as you follow that plan, you won at the end of the day. You were disciplined enough to follow your plan each and every time.
Fuck man, my plan was to hold it till the daily flip.
Then you hold to the daily. You accept the fact that it may hit break even.
I failed myself. I didn't hold it.
You closed full?
No, I closed half. I
was about to say, bro. So your new target for that 4% is probably like what, 1730 something?
I'm probably not gonna hold it to the 4% because it's not like the realistic zone target. But I was just telling Don like the 4% would have been like right around here, like at the bottom of the wick.
Wait, what do you mean it's not realistic?
What do you mean?
Like I don't. Because for me to catch 4%, unless we go tap that other daily.
What's the target you need to tap for 4%?
Okay, wait, let me tell you right now.
It's probably like 1736.
No, it's 17. Well, I need.
Quick math.
Yeah, but I'm just moving. You know what? I'm moving my fucking take profit line like inch by inch, trying to find out. It should be 1734.3.
That's before the.
What's your daily target?
Yeah.
My daily target, bro. I was gonna get out on like the bottom of yesterday's.
The flip. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, you can do that. I mean, each his own, right? Everyone has his own like analysis.
Hey, as long as you find it, as long as you get your target. Our target was I have 1726.
26 is your target?
Yeah.
Are you trained, bro? or just analyze? I'm trading, man. We just that we haven't had a trade in the past day. That was it. Yesterday.
Yeah, if it's 726, that'd be wild.
Our record for stream this month is 7-3-2. So like, obviously we've been taking trades on stream, and you guys see everything that goes down on a stream with the trade, the breakdown, the analysis, the management, and all that. It's just that we haven't had a trade yet today. I'm waiting for a closure here in 3 minutes here. If you get a close below its range on a 30-minute time frame, I will take a sell coming down to fill its range here towards 1741. So didn't go hit 1738. Currently in the 75.3 mark. Yes, I do. We broke this down already. The weekly is being bearish, flipping bearish here, driving price down towards the next support, which is down here at the 1730 mark. That's my target for the week. My day target was 1728 today, with the fact that we closed below the range yesterday, and with the count flipping bearish here, I expect to flip and then price to fill down to fill its range here, coming down to tap the level support as we're breaking into clean traffic territory to the left hand side, looking on a small time frame as well on a 30 especially. It shows a nice clean traffic range pushing down towards 1742 first though, and then below there's obviously clean traffic towards the 1728 mark. But yes, I believe so. Currently in from 753. Yeah, I mean, obviously you want to manage risk and all that good stuff right from your end. You know, that's all on you, but at the end of the day, we have a bias and we have a target, right? We may or may not reach the target, but we have that target in mind off of Pentacles.
Charity cases, all y'all stare in my face. I hope you could be the replacement. Niggas is snitching on us without no interrogation. I stay silent cause we at war and I'm very
Oh, chat. 2 minutes left for a closure. Will we get one? Will we get one? 2 minutos for a closure. Thanks for a $5 donation, by the way. Appreciate it, man. I love. What will be your thoughts on gold? It'll be the previous 30-minute candle. So around like 40, 30 pips. Yeah, previous 30. What you see, Marcos?
No, I was just looking at the stop loss.
Are you going to enter in our position?
Yeah, if we get the closure. It's a fat stop loss, though. I want like a significant top wick, just because that last 1 hour still has no bottom wick. It's just weird. At least like a 10 pip top wick for me.
Walk up with my toolie, what they do? Meet me in the alley with the troops. I got red shooters, I got blue.
That thing down at point two. How to calculate pips on an XAUSD with measurement tool? So pretty simple. You put a measurement tool here, you draw to the start to finish. This is 621 points, which is 62 pips. So it shows in points, but I got to convert to pips, obviously. Uh-oh. Will we get a closer, chat? I believe as long as you close below here, it should be good. Looking good. Looking good, chat. You need a top wick and obviously and all that good stuff first, but once you get all those things, you should be goody in a position here. And looks like we're not gonna close below. Wow. Let's see. Yeah, because if you don't close below here, chat.
There we go. There we go. You have the 15.
Oh,
so.
you close below 30. I think. Oh yeah, we drew our support off of the. Yeah, but even if like, this is still questionable for me. You know what I mean?
That's good for me, but I need a top wick.
Damn.
I don't know.
It's just the 30-minute. It's a question for me. I was gonna say like since it closed the way it did, like off of the my support, I believe what I'm looking back at now is the 1 hour candle has no bottom wick here. So since it didn't close below 30, I'm thinking that maybe we may not be ready to push down yet, and the 1 hour candle may just flip bullish maybe with the fact that it had no bottom wick the last hourly candle now. So I'm looking back at that and putting pieces together. So there's probably no trade for me. I'm a bit hesitant on this. I don't want to be in a position where I'm questioning it if it closed below or not. But yeah, Marcos, where's your support drawn again? The 15?
I have it on the 30 on 1748.7 on the dot 7, yeah.
Yeah, I think it's like it did like on it closed below the line, but it's questionable for me, you know.
Didn't break it. Didn't clearly break it.
Yeah. I thought we were gonna close below with the way it was pushing at the end there. I'm like, oh, nice closure. And if you drive down here, Chad, we drive down. I'm gonna accept the fact that price already drove down here, and I might miss this move that's worth 70 pips. I'm okay with that. But I just don't want to be in a situation where I'm kind of like debating if we close below or not. This is not, you know, a good position for me. The fact that I'll be questioning myself with emotions.
Marcos is in.
Yeah, it looks looking good though. The flip, the way it opened up was perfect. Like if it closed below the range here, we'll be in too. Nice count top wick. Oof.
Drive down, fill the weekly range. 200 pips for Marcos.
With the volume that's coming in though, it makes sense.
Volume coming in, and we're expecting it. Like we're bearish for the whole week.
The whole week. Yep. Yo, Marcos. That wick fill is how many pips there? Oh, 17.
I move stops to break even.
Oh, 9 pips. Nice, nice. Can you get your 10?
Yes.
There's your 10.
Yeah.
You're gonna close half or you're gonna let it run?
No, I had a 30 pip stop loss, so well, I'm break even now, but I use half risk, so
Nice, 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 nice.
I'll probably hold this one since this is my second position. I think it's gonna break even, to be honest.
Yeah, you might survive. We're breaking the lows here. We're breaking the lows.
I think if it breaks again, I needed to break the previous 30 lows before I'm like confident.
Lovely. Lovely chat. For those that entered, were able to enter off of that. Congrats. If he goes below range, if he goes just like maybe like a couple pips below the range here, the way it opened up, I was talking about that earlier. It opened up perfectly. It opened up, created a top wick, and on the break of the lows was where your entry would have been. W. Thanks for sub, fam. No worries. $1. Thanks for that $5 donation. Congrats, Bradley. Did you take that trade? No, I didn't. I didn't take it because I was questioning if he closed below or not. Right? Because it barely closed. Yes? Oh.
Dr. Dollar? Yeah, I'm pretty sure he's from Miami.
Done no trade? No. I explained why already. We're going to lows here, chat. We should be able to drive down here now towards 1742 mark. Should be clean.
Yo, I'm gonna trade. Let me just call you back later.
Alright, man. Peace out.
Peace out, bro.
Yeah, that's why you stick to your analysis, right? Imagine Marco stuck to me, right?
Scrub.
Yeah, I would. He would have been a scrub.
Thanks, guys. Thanks for the kind words. Fucking scrub.
I don't care what they say about you. You're not a scrub in my book.
This should be able to tap. I think if you guys are in here, chat, I'll say close half, move your stops to break even, make it risk free. It should be able to drive down here. Looking left is clean traffic, breaking into this range now. It should be able to drive all the way down. Look at the daily candle, it's starting to reflip bearish here. And on the flip of that low, it'll be coming down towards the support as well. So, yeah, congrats.
That's it. You literally, that's exactly what I did. Like literally, as you said it, I did it.
Come on, man.
We're so cute.
She's a runner. She's a runner. She's a runner. She's a track star.
When you feel like this, tell me shit. Change your music. This guy's shouting. It's my favorite. This is my favorite artist. Oh, but fine, sure.
My only qualms with the 1726 target is that it's Friday. Do we have enough? You know what I mean? Like, are we gonna have enough juice on a Friday to hit
Look at
it?
the day candle. That's all you gotta look at.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm
they
holding. I'm just like, I'll reevaluate after 4-hour closure
Mhm.
if I'm still alive.
No reevaluating.
You guys think I can put that in Trade's called?
Yeah, no, obviously.
Oh man, the breakdown has been called since the morning. Yo, first thing I said this morning, chat, I'm not interested in buys. First thing I said this morning, not interested in buys, looking for sells only. We stayed out this buy here that people would have got faked out on, and then obviously like sells played out after.
Target is 1726. I think we have a red folder at 10. I just want to survive this this candle. If I survive this candle, I'm gonna be happy, but be interesting.
Down. Yeah, 22 minutes left for this 4 camera closure here. Talking about promotional target. Who? Me, Marcos. My target. We broke this down like 50 times today. Target is looking left below at 1741. Except from the fact that this trade might hit break even though, because look, obviously it's rejecting off this minor support tail left here off of 30 or 15 probably. Yeah, the 15 rejected. So this might hit break even, but this is why you would have managed this the way you did, right? By closing half and all that good stuff. Yeah. But do you guys understand like I know like the trade's cool and whatnot, right? Obviously the breakdown, but do you guys understand like why we're able to see this today though, and why we're able to see why gold's falling down for the week? With tentacles, only tentacles and purely tentacles. Affluence is just the start of the volume that get pushed into the markets, but the rest is all tentacles for me. I didn't pay like, as much to fundamentals as much as like it was on tentacles. But you guys understand? If you guys haven't, go watch Monday stream, go watch Tuesday stream, Wednesday stream, Thursday stream. Watch the first 5 minutes of that stream of us breaking down gold, and we said the same exact thing every single day.
Marcos, did you hit break even? Or is that him?
Marcos left to celebrate, man. that's a Dunkin' Donuts.
Marcus is calling the local strip club, asking him to book a table right now.
Oh, to entrepreneur, I don't know, man. I don't know. I asked chat the same thing. I don't know. Yeah, so like we haven't had a trade in 2 days here. We had a trade I think Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I think. All W's. It was 100% week again so far, and then obviously Thursday and Friday we weren't able to really SQ on anything, which is fine. But I think we have 1 more week left in September, and our record for September is 7-3-2 for the month. So 2 losses for the month only on the stream. Not bad. Just you know, this is another day Monday, another day Tuesday, another day Wednesday next week. So markets will continue to move. Life goes on. Trying to get FOMO over these positions, right? Would you enter? I think the only way I'll enter now, chat, is if the 1 hour candle closes below the range here. If the 1 hour closes like this, that'll be a perfect way for me to enter position, as you would expect the next 1 hour candle to drive down like so. As long as it respects the previous 1 hour high with the way that the 4 hour candle closes as well. So yes, I would expect this to occur if the 1 hour closes, but that's if the 1 hour doesn't decide to move for the next 20 minutes here. That's a lot of time. The 4 hour candle will be closing bearish back into the range as well. So man, I'm in love with this new scent. I got this new Margiela fragrance and it smells so good.
Does it smell like a 60s street market?
Like jazz club. Jazz, bro.
Smells like Cuban cigars and and milfs.
Yeah, if you guys enjoyed the stream so far today, man, appreciate you being here today. Leave a like on the stream. Appreciate it. I love you, man. Bro, I think it's gonna flip. Everything's gonna flip. I think it's gonna flip, right? I'm still waiting for a 1 hour close to blow the range here for ourselves. Whatever you prefer, man. Whatever you prefer. Whatever you.
See, that's how the industry should be. You know?
Right? It's like whatever you prefer. You're right. You're not right. You're not wrong. I'm not right. I'm not wrong either. Simple.
Should be just respect and love. Got other streamers popping in here showing love, you know. I go on other streamers shit, I leave a like. I swear. That's it.
We're trying to trend, guys. Gotta wait for a range to breakout to take the long. Yes. So like for buys, yeah, you need a range to breakout. And that will probably be above like 1756 at this point. But I doubt we're gonna get that today. I believe we're just gonna drive down towards 1742 here.
Marcos, you booked our seats at the strip club today? Booked the table?
Hey, bro, Wixnut, number 64, bro. Got you. Table 64. I got 2 bottles of water there for you.
Nice.
Just water.
Nice. Called Live, right?
Whoa, Marcus, what you eating, brother?
A banana.
Live on Sundays, King of Diamonds Mondays.
What are you eating so close to the camera for, bro? The corner of my eye. I see you the corner of my eye.
Where am I supposed to go?
Hey, bro, I don't know, man, but why you looking directly at the camera eating a banana, man?
This is what Don wants, guys. So
this is not how you eat bananas, bro.
I can't hear you. Sorry.
There's banana eating etiquette, and you're not following it.
This dude shunned me. This is how Wix 9 eats the banana, dead ass, like this.
Oh, you're for real. For real. That's how you eat the banana.
I put that shit in a sandwich.
He said no such.
No, man. Wix just squeeze it. Wix just squash the thing.
Yeah, but I also fucking dry eat protein.
My bad. You forgot to add the protein to it.
Dry scoop protein powder.
This is Wixnut right here. I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys Wixnut. You know what I'm talking about, Wixnut?
Break the banana apart and eat it.
No.
Y'all are weird.
That video got taken down. Damn, that's tough. Never mind.
Wix 9 inhales his protein. That shit's air to him.
Sprinkle it on our joint.
Go.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna get the 1 hour. I think this is gonna drive all the way down here, man. I don't think I'm gonna get an entry, honestly. 5 minutes start play? 15 minutes start play?
5 minutes.
That 15. Look at the way it closed on a 15-minute time from here. Close below this range here. Next 15 is gonna go. Like yesterday. Remember yesterday? Same exact time.
No top wick, 60 pips down.
Yep. No bottom wick, you mean? Oh, no top gonna open.
No, it's gonna open and it's gonna fly. That'd be funny.
Lovely.
What do you think about this current candle stops? 15-minute flip.
I mean,
oh my goodness.
It's valid. But what's the RR? Is the real question.
15. Oh my goodness. I hate that.
Hey, Reza, do you regret not holding full? Jokes. I know you don't regret it. Don't worry.
Friday, you should have just let it rock.
I'm just trolling.
Trade.
Regret is an emotion.
Exactly. I love the answer. Okay, lovely. What's a celebration?
What's a celebration, bro? I don't know what the celebration.
Same
thing. Say it.
Oh yeah, no emotions, no celebration, no emotions. You can't be happy.
What's a loss?
A loss is a learning opportunity.
Sir, yes, sir. What's a win?
I have I closed.
A win is a calculated prediction.
I closed another 60% of my remaining position because it 15 closed with no bottom wick. for me.
You know what's funny? Everyone took a position today, except me. You took one. Rez took one. Wixnine probably took one. Didn't tell me. I'm just here chilling.
Wixnine
I'm
didn't
over.
take one.
I don't take a position unless I got like at least an ounce of THC in me.
Okay, my bad.
This dude's way too sober. Yo, this is earlier. You guys missed it. He goes, I need some clarity.
Hey, you're the only one that caught it. I was like, oh, nothing's happened. I need some clarity.
He said, I need some clarity. I need to put on my glasses.
Hey chat, I'm happy for everyone in the chat who caught position today though, for real. If you guys caught position today, leave a 1 in the chat. If the breakdown helped you in any way, shape, or form, leave a 2 in the chat. And if you don't have FOMO today, leave a 3 in the chat.
I got nothing since Wednesday.
Yeah, same man. I got nothing since Wednesday too. But you had a you're on like a what, a 20 winning streak or something? You're going off, man. Good shit.
I'm considering closing everything.
What's going on?
Nice. 3 was no break even. 1 was if you took a trade, and 2 was if. What was 2 again? If you took no trade. Damn. Nice trap. All those wins. All those no FOMOs. If you had no FOMO today and you saw this whole move push down without catching anything, that was a win as well. Your discipline just you took your discipline to the next level. That's all that matters. Now I really admire your patience and discipline and how you don't get FOMO at all. Robot trading. Next year I'll change my FX trading name to robot trading. Imagine. Yeah, we might get a late move opportunity, obviously, with the 4 candle closing the way it is. This pullback on the last 15 of the hourly candle, which is why I stayed out. So it might not be a bad opportunity later on, maybe 9:30, 9:15. But let's see. Let's see how the hourly candle closes, chat. 12 minutes left.
It's gonna be a corp call.
It's gonna be a corp call, or it might be a trading call. Like every Friday, we always have a trading call on Fridays.
Do we?
Well, the last 2 weeks we did, yeah. This is a good way to end off the week, you know, talking to the people from the chat. All good vibes.
I agree.
You think it's gonna drop? I believe this 1 hour candle will retrace here to create a bottom wick here, and then the next 1 hour candle will drop down towards the TP. I mean, we broke this down only 20 times today. I think it will drop. Come on, Yab. You've been here for a while, man. You should know us by now, Yab. You should know us by now.
Oh no.
Oh no, I hope I don't fall.
I was waiting on that 15-minute flip and then I just decided I didn't want to flip.
Unless you're gonna buy a robot? No, I'm just joking. What I mean by robot is like where we have no emotions, right? We're like a robot. Do they know wick fill? Wick fill this? Because I don't believe in these wick fills here. It doesn't make sense to me. This, yeah, this one, if it closes like this and then next kind of comes down to fill that wick, then yeah. But this is irrelevant to me. So if it comes out like this, then I believe the wick, next kind will come down to fill the wick as price will close below the range here. But this could be anything. It can. If it does though, I wouldn't say it's a wick fill necessarily in my perspective. For me at least, it would just be a data count flip and bearish fill in the previous data count on wick and then coming down towards 1728 here as you close below that range. You can explain why it's relevant? Okay, I will. Because I haven't done this in a while, and yesterday Marcos told me for the first time yesterday, yo, Don, you haven't explained the ring count backwards concept in a while, but I'll explain it right now. So, okay, understand this. This is a wick fill, right? This is the count of the wick. This is a 1 hour candle. All right. So imagine you have, or don't imagine, you have 4 15-minute candles that add up to a 1 hour candle. So how will that look on a smaller time frame? So if this is a 1 hour candle, then this is the 15-minute time frame. Price pushes up, pushes up, pushes up, right? Or sorry, pushes up. Let me just redo this. It's kind of bad. There, and pushes up. All right, and then the last 15 of that 1 hour candle, high likely will then be the pullback to create that wick, because you need that wick being created somewhere. Because without that wick, you know, you don't have you need a bearish candle to have that wick. So let's say the 15-minute candle closes bearish like this, right? What do you have now? What do you have now? You have now resistance, a support. Oh, let me actually redraw this wick here because it's kind of off here. This wick should be something like this, right? So you have that resistance now, you have that support, and then you have the closure of this candle, which is right here. What's inside of this range here? Inside this range here is gonna be that wick, right? Because on a high time frame, this is what you have. You have a high, which is this. You have a low, which is this, and you have a closure, which creates that wick. So this wick now is just a range being formed. So when price comes up to fill the wick, what happens is price is just pushing up like so. Price is literally just closing bullish at support on a 15 to potentially push up to retest the highs and then to continue up. On a higher time frame, what's happening is price is filling that wick. So whenever people say like, oh, price is filling the wick from like December 1982, I think it's irrelevant, because the whole idea behind it, the whole idea behind reading accounts backwards doesn't add up to me, because it has nothing to do with that wick from my perspective. So yeah, this is what I believe a wick fill is, and not really whatever that was, right? That was kind of a chalked explanation, but if you guys want to know more about that, do explanation on wick fill. I have a better video on that. I did it before in the past, so yeah.
People have these weird, like, I don't know, thoughts or concepts that like wicks, like previous wicks must be filled, previous gaps must be filled. Like, they don't have to be filled, you know. It's price action. There's nothing to say price needs to go back there or fly through that zone. I mean, there's logical explanations, you know, for wick fills, just like Don explained, you know, ranges and clean traffic being created on the recent candles. Nothing to do with like 10-15 years ago. Same thing with, you know, with gaps in the market. It's just clean traffic being created. If
you remember that? Yeah, let's go. Yeah,
just, you know, just clean shit.
Yeah, you gotta have an explanation for everything you do in trading. For each,
there's an explanation behind every move. It's not like it has to happen.
Make it make sense for you, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Like if this 1 hour candle where it closed now, chat, look how the 15's gonna close. The 15's gonna close bullish. Why? Because it has to create that bottom wick, right? So when the 15 closes bullish, what's happening within that wick? That wick is just now a range, resistance and support. So when price goes down to fill that wick, it's gonna be also a 15-minute starter play as well, coming down. So I'm waiting for this 1 hour close here, and if we retrace far enough, we might actually get a position that's roughly a 1-to-1 RR. Big stops though. I mean, let's see. We gotta pull back real hard here. I say if we close at like 1748.112, that'd be perfect. This video right here. This is a better video here. Or not even a post. This is a better post here. Look at this. Last year, October 2020. How wicks get filled? 1 hour. You know, 4 15-minute candles. And at the range created. That range created is just a wick fill. And then when price fills a wick, it's just pushing up on a small time frame like so. I like more shit. But yeah. Ring counts backwards. If you guys are new here and you guys haven't been here for a while, that's probably a new concept, because I haven't explained that in like maybe a couple months. Just because like I feel like a lot of people in the chat already know it, but just a refresher. Thanks for the $95 donation, bro. Thanks, bro, for a fire explanation. Thanks, $100 for another donation, man. Really appreciate it. Although you gotta donate at all. No one has to donate here. Just come, leave a like, subscribe. That's all we ask for.
Don, go on the 15 for a second.
Yeah.
See what happened here?
Jeez.
What's gonna happen here?
15-minute start play? Yeah. On a bearish day? Yeah, what are the odds of that happening again? Very high. Well, that's if you close bullish.
Yeah, if it closes bullish, but that's what I want to see happen. Again, remember last time I said want to see it close bullish, confirm and support, and then once that happens, the break is clean down. Same thing here.
Yep.
Because this closing bullish also goes back to what you said. It creates range for that bearish move down.
Are you gonna take it off the 15 wicks?
No, I'm just saying that's clean, but I'm gonna try to get a better position here off the hourly. I really hope it pulls back a lot. I might go half and half. I might do half off the hourly and then half on the celery play. I've been doing that a lot lately.
My favor.
What flavors are?
What a great week though, chat. 100% week this week. 100% winning week again. Last week was 100% week again. Wait, no. I take that back. Last week we took one loss on Monday. But this week 100%. For a month has been great. I was not expecting September to be this good. At all. GJ has barely moved. Wow. Struggling there. The 4 counts and close very lovely on gold. Hey, look at the 4 candle. Where do you guys think the next 4 counts gonna go to fill the rest of the range?
I'm gonna go down.
Yep. Obviously, you got to try the wick and all that good stuff, right? But let's say you get a small wick like this, be good. It can go all the way up to here. Who knows? It can come all the way up to here and not break the highs and still be valid here. So don't get it twisted if you see price go up on the 4 count later. Just keep in mind that the 4 count could just be a cream on the top wick. 8 count didn't flip yet. We're very close to flipping. Very close. Hey man, you can't say that to GJ because GJ, if you say that to GJ, he'll come back. GJ will come back and haunt you, man. Yeah, respect GJ. GJ's having an off day today. GJ is just kind of taking a break today. You know, let the man breathe. And maybe Monday he'll be ready to run again. Because he ran a lot yesterday. GJ did a lot yesterday for yes. GJ literally pushed up like 150 pips. He trained for that and he's taking a little break. But let the man breathe.
TD daily flipped.
Do you like a land girl, bro? She gonna key your cards when you least expect it and burn your house. Damn. Bro, she chill making tacos. Yeah, let the man breathe. Taco Fridays, man. Yo, you ever had those how you pronounce it? Birria tacos? Fuck. You guys know what I'm talking about, chat? These tacos? Oh man, I want these today.
I want this shit right now. Right now. What is this? This a GTA thing?
It's been popping on TikTok like for the past year. But it's just tacos. I mean, I love fish tacos though. Holy shit, fish tacos so good.
Yeah, mahi.
Oh man, fish tacos. Underrated.
Also, some reddish. Yeah, I'm going to fucking Tijuana Flats down the block in about as soon as they open up.
First in line. Hey, can I have some of your fish tacos, please?
I don't know if they do fish tacos. Let me look it up.
Overrated? I think it's overrated too. Like I had it. It's a bit overrated. I'm not gonna lie, it's a bit overrated. It was maybe the place I went to, but it was a bit overrated. But hey, you can't blame them, right? You can't. It is what it is. Like if they weren't overrated, it'll be good, because it's just that TikTok hypes them up, and you know, hypes up the food and just trying. Everyone wants to try them. Of course, the more people will be disappointed, but the more people don't know about it. Okay, forward candle closed there. You expect price to push down here potentially. You don't really have a clean range going down here as much, man. Also, if I'm looking for a trade here, I probably want to wait for the first 15 close as well to determine that bottom wick here. And then once you get a closure, maybe we get a closure like this later on in the day, we can look to drive down towards next support, which is down here at 1742 here.
Yep.
But you have a leftover range of like around 30 pips before you flip. And on the flip of the candle, you have another like what? 130 pips on the flip of the candle. So you have a lot of ranges to chat.
Yeah, but don't forget what we've been seeing a lot lately on the new 4 hour. He'll come down, make break the low that we need to, and then he'll come back up, make even a steeper wick for the 4 hour.
Yes. Except yesterday. Yesterday we just kind of.
But man, most of the time the odds are, so don't rush your entries.
Don't rush your entries, correct.
Let your 15 close. Yeah.
I'm gonna call it a day though. Pardon?
Are you calling it a day?
Can I make what?
I was gonna say, can you make it so you can unmute yourself? And I was gonna ask you how long you're gonna be on stream for.
Oh, well, I'm honestly hungry. I need some food in me. I need to regain energy, and I need to hop off the charts. And call it a week because. Actually, I'll call it a week off stream, but I might be popping in here and there looking at charts on the same channel if I see something. But I'm hungry, chat. So.
Yeah, I'm starving.
I appreciate you for being here today. It's a blessing. Always will be. Thanks for being here. Thanks, moderators. I'm gonna call it. Don't overtrade today. Have a good Friday. Have a good week. It's been a great week. Don't fuck it up. Right? Don't fuck it up. I see you guys able to enter those positions right now. Hope all goes well. All right. Peace and love, chat. Catch you guys Monday.
All right. Take care.
Have a great weekend.
Enjoy
yourself, man. Do what I do. Get some sun.
Leave him with him, cause if I run the game in these, man, the seams are splitting. No pun intended, but they smelling defeat in the air. Headed where nobody took it, who meeted me there? They tell him that he talking crazy, but he doesn't care. Being humble don't work as well as being aware. Listen up, boy, you better off eavesdropping. We already got spring 2015 popping. P&D dropping, reps up P dropping, Magic Jordan dropping, Obi dropping, not to mention me dropping. Feel like we paid the refs off, man, we fixed the game. Me and Noel been at it before Twitter names. Yeah, been on the move like the lease is up. And I can't even name one person that's keeping up. Damn, fuck how it was in the past tense. Ask yourself, how do we match up now? Cause I'm only 27 and I'm only getting better. If I haven't passed you yet, watch me catch up now, for real.
How did the stream end?
Came back since I...
Did it?
Yep.
Oh, it did end? I'm like, why is the music playing?
Everywhere I go, I get papers. Everywhere I go, I get papers. I'm a rasta, I could join Slayers. Got the drum in the car, that bitch is Slayers. Get put in the box, I'm fucking with a player. AR in the box, came with a laser. I go cook a op, yeah, chill like I cater. I fuck on my diet, yeah, we made it in Cater. I go ball on that bitch, yeah, chill like a blazer. Can't start with the bitch, I link another one later. I gotta get it together. I'm living my life like a rebel. They try to lock me in a kennel. I beat the case with a simple. Fresh out of court, yeah. Jump in the porch, yeah. Slide through the hood, yeah. Everything good, yeah.
Whole lot of mob shit. Whole lot of mob. Whole lot of mob shit. Whole lot of mob shit. Whole lot of mob. Whole lot of mob shit. Whole lot of mob shit. Whole lot of mob. Whole lot of mob shit. Whole lot of mob shit. Whole lot of mob. Whole lot of mob shit. Whole lot of mob shit. Whole lot of mob.
Oh shit, target's been tapped here. Congrats.
Whole lot of mob shit. Whole lot of mob shit. Whole lot of mob. Whole lot of mob shit.
I get these bitches going crazy. I get these bitches going crazy. I walk in the mall, they go crazy. I walk in the mall, they go crazy. Got plants on the wall, I go crazy. Got plants on the wall, I go crazy. I got rich and heavy here, baby. I got rich and heavy here, baby. I drop a coupe, you know it's the latest. Selling cocaine, just like the 80s. I caught a body and went on vacation. Sucking my dick, I was on the PlayStation. I ride in the demon, I took off, I'm racing. I ride in the demon, I feel like I'm safe. I fucking these bitches, I fucking these bitches. I gave her some money to put in her savings. I be a Molly and now I feel fade. Muhammad Ali, I feel like the grave. This nigga tried me and I left him haze. I fucked in this bitch, but she cannot date me. I gotta get it together. I'm living my life like a rebel. They try to lock me in a kennel. I beat the case, it was simple. Fresh out of court, yeah. Jump in the Porsche, yeah. Slide through the hood,